Hi, it's Charlie. A happy new year. We're in the state of Georgia and we're going into the Hobby Lobby to check it out. So here we go. Model colour. I'll be getting some of these, but not today. This is just to give you an idea of what then. We've got all these bits and pieces that'd be very useful around your layout. Even a tree with snow on it. And all kinds of foliage that you can put around, a variety of trees, bushes. Thick model glue, $7. I bought some of this blended turf before, that's $9 for that. Trains, there you go, there's a set there. $180. Here's another one, 148. Some pieces. So not a big selection, but they've also got evergreen plastic card and brass sheets and sections. So there is plastic pattern sheets, that's $3.29, and some plaster cloth, $11, and there's another one at $8. So you get a variety of stuff. These are always good to hook up wire, and there's the lamp post for $3. And these units are always $20, and there's your additional lights, stick-on lights, and the little hub, $20, always the same price. And all these stores have very similar stock. You can't go wrong, you'll always find something in here that can be of use, and all the tools. There you go, the model mat, that's a nice thing, $10. You might be able to get that on Temu or eBay. And as I said, a variety of paints, sanding film, finishing kit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.